Good morning, everyone, and good morning, sirs. Myself, Vivek Kumar, and now I'm going to describe the topic 2611 attack. The 2611 attack was a 2008 Mumbai attack. It was a series of coordinated terrorist attacks that took place in Mumbai from 26 November to 29 November. And the 10 members of Lashkar-e-Taiba, which is an Islamist terrorist organization, carried out 12 shootings and bombings attacks across the Mumbai city. The main locations where this attack happens is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus local railway station, Leopold Cafe, the Taj Mahal Palace, the Oberoi Trident Hotel, and the Leopold Cafe. And the beginning of attack starts from 26 November around 9:30 p.m. The attack began with shootings at the Taj Mahal Palace and Leopold Cafe. And the terrorists also attacked at the Taj Mahal Palace, CSMT railway station, Leopold Cafe, and Oberoi Trident Hotel. And from the time period of November 27 to November 29, they also attacked at the other places, and hostage situation get unfolded by police and Indian security police, with including Mumbai police, with around 120 national security guards, handled the situation. And by the morning of November 29, all the terrorists were killed except one whose name was Azmal Kasab. And the terrorists came from Karachi to Mumbai by sea route. And in this attack, 175 people died and more than 300 people were injured. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shweta. Thank you for giving this opportunity to stand here. Today, I want to tell something about Taj Hotel attack. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel in Mumbai was attacked on November 26, 2008 as part of largest terrorist attack. In this attack, 166 people died and 300 people injured. Taj Mahal Palace Hotel itself damaged with the roof and it occupied by terrorists for over 3 days. The attack carried by militants from Pakistan, that group named Lashkar-e-Taiba. It used many weapons like gun and RDX, and it's very miserable for us. Thank you and all the best.
दोस्तों, today I am discuss about the 26/11 attack. This attack happened on 26 November 2008. That's called with 26/11 attack, and they all terrorists were including attack killed by NSG Commando and Mumbai Police and Marine Commando. They attack on 5 places. The Taj Hotel, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Oberoi Trident, and Kama Hospital and Narima House. And in this attack, 175 people died, including 9 attackers, and injured 300 plus people. And attacking of mode by terrorists is mass bombing, as mass murdering and seizing and hostage people. And they terrorists use AK rifles, RDX, IEDs, and hand grenade. And they all terrorists belong to Lashkar-e-Taiba, which led by Zakir Hussain Lakhvi. That's all.
Morning, everyone. Today I am going to giving a speech on the topic 26/11 attack in Mumbai. So 10 terrorists from Pakistan entered in Mumbai by sea route and attacked multiple places like Taj Hotel and CSMT railway station and cafes and hospitals, etc. They had guns and bombs and RDX, and more than 170 people died in this attack, including police officers, army soldiers, and many innocent people. That was the painful moment for the whole country, and that's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yadavan. Today I am saying about the deadliest incident in India called 26/11 attack. It happened in Mumbai, like 5 targets that targeted by Pakistani and agency, which led 10 attackers in India by sea route. They entered by 2 ships like Al Hussein and Kubair named ship, and they entered in Mumbai by sea route. Then they reached to their destinations like Taj Hotel, Oberoi Hotel, Nirvana House, Leopold Cafe, and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. In the station, they killed the people and ran away from there. And one group of them reached at Taj Hotel, and they entered from front gate, and they used to fire their rifles on the people. In the hotel, there was a businessman named Gautam Adani, which escaped by his team. And our other destinations like which left they attack on there. And when Mumbai police get to know that there was a terrorist attack and happened in Mumbai, they used to call Delhi Air for help. Then NSG commandos came, but it was not enough because the plane had only 124 passengers. Top 120 NSG commandos reached to Mumbai and they divided in 40 teams, and they reached the last three destinations and killed the all terrorists and saved Mumbai. Thank you. That's it.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Ajay. Today I want to tell something about Taj Hotel attack. On the night of 26 November 2008, Mumbai, India's bustling financial capital, thrust into a night more than heavily armed force. Terrorists from the Pakistan-based militant group Lashkar-e-Taiba infiltrated the cities via and the sea and launched a coordinated attacks across multiple locations, include iconic Taj Mahal Hotel Place. Good morning, everyone. Myself Neeta, and I am telling about the Taj Mahal attack incident. So, as we know, 26/11 was a tragic event in India's history, and the terrorist attack in Mumbai on 26 November in 2008. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel was the main target of the terrorist and Lashkar-e-Taiba, Pakistani-based group, which carried out the attack. And but our Indian security force responded bravely and perfectly, and the attack affected in Indian foreign relation. But the all countries stood together and against the attacks. So we remember this victim and the honor of the security force. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Bhumika. I want to tell about this topic, 26/11 hotel attack. The November 2008 Mumbai attack, also referred to as a 26/11 attack, were a series of coordinated Islamic attacks that took place in November 2008 when 10 members of Lashkar-e-Taiba, Pakistan-based Islamic militant organization, carried out 12 bombing attacks and for over 4 days across Mumbai. 160 people are dead in this incident and 300 people injured. Thank you.
First of all, good morning everyone. Myself Deepika. It's my privilege to stand here and share some word about 26/11 attack. Today we gather to tribute to the victim of the Mumbai attack in
Good morning, all of you. My name is Priyanshi. I want to tell about 26/11 attack. The 2008 Mumbai attack, also referred to as 26/11 attack, a series of coordinated Islamist terrorist attack in 2008 November. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about Taj Mahal Hotel attack, the 2008 Mumbai's attack, also referred to as 26/11 attack. The terrorists fired indiscriminately. 10 boys were involved in this attack. 10 were.
Everyone, my name is Bhupesh Kumar. Now we're telling the 26/11 Mumbai terrorist attack, which started on 26 November 2008 and continued until 29 November 2008. Total 10 locations that terrorists were decided for attack in Mumbai. The main three locations are CST railway station, Oberoi Hotel, and Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. So in this attack, total 175 people died, including 9 terrorists, and over 300 people injured with bullet. And that's all. Thank you.
First of all, good morning, my dear friends and teacher. Myself Ankit. Today I want to tell you about 26/11 topic. The 2008 Mumbai attack, also known as 26/11 attack, were a series of coordinated in November 2008 when 10 members of Lashkar-e-Taiba carried out 10 shooters with bombing attack in Mumbai, and in this attack 175 persons were dead with 300 injured. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Krishna Verma. I tell about 26/11 attack on Mumbai. In the attack is the largest Islamic terrorist attack on Mumbai.
In this attack, 175 people dead and 300 people injured. In the attack, the main location are Taj Hotel, C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Railway Station and Oberoi Hotel and etc. In this attack by AK-47 guns, hand grenade, smoke bombs, RDX and etc. In this attack, the all terrorists died by Mumbai police. That's all.
Good morning, all of you. I am Komal. I am telling about 26/11 attack. The 2008 Mumbai attack are referred in a series. 26/11 attacks were a coordinate. The November 2008 10 persons Lakshar-e-Taiba and 9 Pakistan based. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, my name is Dev. Today I am telling about topic 26/11 attack. This attack on 26 November 2008 in Mumbai, and in Mumbai railway station, cafe and hospital, and in Mumbai also 175 plus people are killed and include 9 tourists and 100 people injured, and this attack last 4 days. Thank you.